Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope that you found the first chapter's verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Narrator, welcome to Thirukkural, Chapter 2, Glory of Rain. In this chapter, Tiruvalluvar extols the importance and greatness of rain. Let's dive into Song 2. O rain! You not only create everything we eat, you are the indispensable food yourself. In this verse, Tiruvalluvar highlights the crucial role of rain in agriculture. Rain not only nourishes the crops but also helps in their growth and sustenance. The second line of the verse emphasizes that rain is not just responsible for the creation of food but also is a vital source of sustenance. The world would be barren without rain, and survival would be impossible. Tiruvalluvar's words remind us to preserve our environment and water resources to ensure a sustainable future. Thank you for watching this episode of Thirukkural. Stay tuned for the next episode, where we explore the next song in Chapter 2, Glory of Rain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural content. Join us next week as we explore another chapter and continue to uncover the beautiful and inspiring teachings of Thirukkural.